guys, GECKO786 here with another Minecraft building tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to build this race car. And what you will need is red wool, white wool, stone slabs, a minecart, rails, and a block of coal, and a button. So let's get started. Let's start with the white wool. I'm going to place it right here. And then you can also build this track that I built earlier. Then you place 3 stone slabs, 3 red wool directly straight from it until you get to the white wool. Then you place this surrounding the white wool. And then go right here. The slabs are the front of the race car. And now let's go straight to the wheels in the front. So you place 2 coal blocks, and then you get a button, and place the button facing this way of the coal so it looks like a tire. And then let's get onto the back of the race car, tail, and so you place 2 red wool blocks right behind it, and you place a stone slab, and you place one over here, one over here, and now then you place 2 blocks of coal for the back tires. Sorry, I messed up. Right here. And then you get your buttons. Place them same as the other tires. Now you get your minecart and rails, so you can actually ride it or just sit in it. And then you place another, then you break this wool right here and place it so it can be facing this way. Place the red wool back. Get your minecart right there. Then you go in the minecart, and then you're done. Goodbye. Thanks for watching Tutorials with Gecko.